Everyone, this is your biology class. I'm your teacher Seema Treja. Student, in this video we are going to start the new chapter, human reproduction. Before going to discuss the content of human reproduction, there are two terms which we need to understand. The first term is unisexual and the second is sexual dimorphism. Human beings are unisexual and they also show sexual dimorphism. What do you mean by unisexual? One type of organism consists of only one type of reproductive system. It means male consists of only male reproductive system and female consists of only female reproductive system. They are differentiated among their gonads, as male consists of only testis in the form of gonads and female consists of ovary. They are different in their internal genital organ as well as their external genital organs. Their muscle mass and height is also differentiated. Muscle mass and height is more in case of male in comparison to the female. Their endocrine secretion is also different and their physiological and behavioral actions are also different. So we can easily distinguish male from female. So the human being shows sexual dimorphism. Before understanding the concept of human reproduction, there are needs to understand the different phases one by one. Later on we will explain these phases in detail. First phase is the gametogenesis. What do you mean by gametogenesis? That is the formation of gamete. In case of male, it is known as spermatogenesis. That is the process of formation of male gamete. Sperm is known as spermatogenesis. And in case of female, it is the process of formation of female gamete, egg. Next step after formation of gametogenesis is the insemination. What is insemination? In which male gamete sperms are inseminate into the body of the female. That is, the male gamete sperm is inseminated inside the female genital tract, and this process is known as the insemination. After insemination, fertilization takes place. What is fertilization? In which male gamete fuses with female gamete and zygote is formed. After the formation of zygote inside the body of the female, there are start cell division in case of zygote, and cell division in case of zygote we called it as cleavage. During this process, various stages are developed. The first stage produced from zygote is the morula, then blastula is produced. After the formation of blastula, next phase started, that is implantation takes place. What do you mean by implantation? That is, blastula get embedded into the uterine wall. Blastula get embedded into the inner lining of the uterus, which we called it as endometrium. Blastula यूट्रस की इनर लाइनिंग एंडोमीट्रियल में एम्बेडेड हो जाता है. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज इम्प्लांटेशन. आफ्टर इम्प्लांटेशन, placentation takes place. What is placentation? That is, there is a vascular connection develops between the blastula and the inner lining of the uterus. Through this vascular connection, which we called it as placenta, nourishment is passes to the developing child from the mother's body. मदर की बॉडी से डेवलपिंग फीटस को, चाइल्ड को प्लेसेंटा के थ्रू नरिशमेंट पास ऑन होता है, एंड प्लेसेंटा फॉर्मेशन के प्रोसेस को हम प्लेसेंटेशन कहते हैं. आफ्टर प्लेसेंटेशन, ब्लास्टुला चेंजेस इनटू नेक्स्ट स्टेज, that is known as the gastrula. The process is known as gastrulation. In the gastrula, 3 germs layer develops: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. After the formation of these germs layer, next phase started, that is known as the organogenesis. What is organogenesis? Cells of these germs layer participate in the formation of different organs. The process is known as organogenesis. And after the completion of the gestation period, which is of 280 days in case of human being, parturition or childbirth takes place. What is parturition or childbirth? That is expelling of fully developed fetus from the body of the mother. This is known as parturition or childbirth. So these are the different phases which we will discuss in detail in our next videos. This is all about in this video. Thank you so much.